Hello, everyone. Salutations to our parents and teachers who have helped us to become what we are today. Today topic is, my dear friends, it is politics and the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. We all know that after the separation of Telangana and Andhra, Sivarama Krishnan committee recommendations were set aside by the then Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, and he proceeded to make the region between Vijayawada and Guntur towns as capital, adjoining the river Krishna. Though the floods in river Krishna are very rare, but sometimes as the government changed, so also the fortunes of the state also will change slightly with the horoscope of the leader or chief minister. But Amaravati, when you look from the patent sign of Andhra Pradesh, which is Virgo Kanya Rasi, it happens to be the eighth sign. Eighth sign is a sign of anchor, but it is also a sign of problems also. Eighth house shows sudden events and vindictive activities, and especially for Virgo, the Surya planet gets exalted in 8th house, that is Mesha Rasi, which patents the name Amaravati, is showing political vindictivity on the capital. Probably the name Amaravati or the selected region also suits Chandrababu Naidu's plans. Chandrababu Naidu is a good administrator, no doubt, with a vision, but that vision for about 10-15 years, or at least say 10 years in the construction of the capital, has taken a beating, as we have seen in the elections in the 2019 or 2018 or so, whatever it is. Why that has happened? Though Chandrababu Naidu was very hardworking right from day one after becoming the Chief Minister in 2014, indeed he has made good buildings for transit assemblies, and he started to make seed axis roads about say 20-30 or even 40-60% have been completed, whatever it is. I don't know the real figures, but even the residential quarters of the government employees and the weaker sections, whatsoever you may name it, they about 10-12 story buildings are all ready. But I think according to the plan of the capital region Amaravati, there was a plan that in the downtown area adjoining the river face, there will be some 2 or 3 big high-rise office apartments which can run into even 50 floors. that sort of buildings, whether the soil will bear or not is a question that I cannot address right now. Not only that, whether small buildings can be planned to be constructed well in advance, along with the residential quarters or even assembly also. At the time of the construction of the assembly itself, if the business establishments were started, then there could have been much more good name for Amaravati, and many people from Hyderabad, business people, small business people could have come and settled in Amaravati area. Housing may not be a big problem, as Chandrababu Naidu started the construction of the houses of office goers. They can stay in rent in Mangalagiri in nearby areas, Vijayawada also, or Guntur, and even the governor buildings and other governor building was not a major point here. That was where I think Chandrababu Naidu has failed, not raising the skyscrapers 50 stories, or he could have made for at least or about 7 or 8 stories, about say 400 or 500 buildings near the river face. The planning was good, but the intention behind that is not only purely, it is 80%, 90%, you can say, but 10% the family attraction for Chandrababu Naidu has also crept in. I think these sort of things in a politician shows up when the time of elections approach. Chandrababu Naidu is a person with honesty to major extent. But I would say that the insider trading, what the present government says, may not be true also. To some extent, the beneficiaries will be there in the ruling party. For any scheme, government launched scheme, the party workers will take the benefit very quickly and straight away. And even putting his son into the services is also not bad. But neglecting the old people in the party and these sort of government policies and the last minute effort to make the Pasubu Kunkuma gift for women was also ill planned. I am concentrating more on Telugu Desam party here, some of the policies, because Telugu Desam party brainchild is Amaravati. The coterie near Chandrababu Naidu never advised correctly, as the skyscrapers should come out immediately to help the business people that want to migrate from Hyderabad. So this way, the ideas, the imagination of behind Amaravati, though good, the execution was somewhat slow and a little bit slow and not planned properly. That much anyone can say. But whatever it is, Amaravati, the capital name itself, might be not a good name to be selected. It can be better if it is selected as Prabhata Tirtham or Prabhasa Tirtham, or something connected with the letters, then spellings of Kanya Rasi Vargo. So that way, the vibration of Virgo is which is the best sign to be had, or even Makara Rashi. It reflects India also was neglected. But there is other concepts also. Uh, he wanted to bring in all cities, 7 cities in around Amaravati. Uh, there was, say, what you call as the heritage temple uplift policy, and the automobile hub in Chittoor and the Rayalaseema, and so on and so forth. True, they planned, but the capital should have been on a rotation basis, because the Rayalaseema specialized station also may come in. Rayalaseema people are really a bit fast and aggressive also that way. So that is another handicap that the Telugu government has carried it. So Amaravati naturally has run into trouble with the present government of YCP, also not doing well with not the special status also. Both the parties, Telugu Desam and YCP, they don't have any major plans behind, nor the confidence and the knack of getting the special status. Friends, if Congress were elected in the central government, Congress could have made the initiation to give special status to Andhra, especially after the beating that the Congress party has taken. But nature thought the other way, and there is trouble brewing for Andhra from 2018, since the government changed. The farmers normally in Kanya Rasi are also affected with a bad second house, that is Tula Rasi being aspected by Shani with a 10th aspect, powerful 10th aspect, which led to farmer suicides. Some of the farmers, they have gifted their lands, of course, in the interest of the children also. But poor farmers having even 1 acre, 2 acre, they have given from 1 acre, 2 acre to about 30, 40 acres also. But the administration is not able to realize that they can give the trademark of YCP or the same city, Amaravati, and they can make it their own gain instead of going to 3 places. Of course, there is nothing wrong in giving High Court to Kurnool. A bench can be provided, though not a full High Court at Kurnool. And even Vijayanagaram also a bench can be provided. So this way, the government that ensured after the TDP debacle is also not able to address the problems of Andhra. That is why Amaravati has become a handicap now, and God knows where it will finally go. Another one year or 1.5 year problem is there. At least 1 year problem is there. There is problem with the farmers and the government, and many people who have invested by giving their lands. It is all in a soup. That is why politicians, they must have the advice of astrologers, and they must foresee what is their uh, future. Even people also, while giving to political parties their support, they should always see what is in store for them. Of course, my videos are always without any face because I and mine are spoiled Telugu Desham also, as I told you in this. Too much of I and mine is not good. Just like that, the maker of this video can be approached with this WhatsApp contact 738662867, a WhatsApp, and we can discuss about the steps to be taken to speed up the process of the development of this whole state, not only Amaravati. That I will do in another video. Until such time, have a nice day. Let all of you be peaceful. Lastly, rounding off, Kanya Rasi is the patent sign of Andhra Pradesh, and Mesha Rasi was the sign of Amaravati. It stands for 6-8 Sasrashtaka, not a good relation to have, whereas a 9-5 relation would have been wonderful, or 11th 111 relation could have been nice also. So this way, the Saturn aspect this time rather is also another problem for Andhra Pradesh that has shown up very much in the slowed down future and battered future of Andhra and Amaravati. And another 1 year, 1.5 year, you have to be careful. What 1 year? It is more than 1 year. Even just about 4-5 years also, it's a problematic. Tread ahead for the state of Andhra Pradesh. If we are very careful, we can slowly march without any back look. But for that, our government has to sincerely sit and think whether they will lose or whether they will gain in the future election with their policies. Thank you, one and all.